Geert Wilders, the leader of the far-right Freedom Party, has faced a significant setback in his efforts to form a majority government in the Netherlands. One of Wilders' three political coalition partners, the New Social Contract, unexpectedly withdrew from talks, citing concerns over public finances. This move dealt a heavy blow to Wilders' ambitions, especially after the PVV's surprising victory in the November elections. Expressing profound disappointment, Wilders stated that he was taken aback by NSC's decision to abruptly end discussions at this stage. Pieter Omtzigt, leader of the centrist party, has left the door open for potentially providing parliamentary support to a minority government. However, he seems to have ruled out any formal participation in the purported right-wing coalition, according to the Dutch public broadcaster NOS. Reports from Dutch media suggest that Omtzigt, a prominent former Christian Democrat MP known for his advocacy of good governance and a reformed approach to politics, was taken aback by confidential cabinet briefings regarding the state of public finances. Ronald Plasterk, the former minister acting as an intermediary in the negotiations, had previously highlighted finances as a major hurdle. Economic experts cautioned that the new coalition would have to identify 17 billion euros in structural spending cuts. Despite the shock victory of Wilders' PVV with 37 seats, in the election, it fell significantly short of the 76 seats required for a majority. Wilders had hoped for a coalition with the NSC 20 seats, the BBB Agrarian Party 7 seats, and the centre-right VVD Party 24 seats. However, he had already committed to dropping certain controversial measures from his manifesto, such as bans on mosques and the Quran, as well as proposals like a Netflix referendum on EU membership, which were rejected by potential partners. Without the support of the NSC, Geert Wilders finds his chance of forming a majority government greatly diminished. Expressing his bewilderment, Wilders lamented, "The Netherlands wants this cabinet, and now Omtzigt is throwing in the towel while we were still in talks until today. I don't get it at all." Dylan Jesselgo Zagarius, the new leader of the VVD succeeding Mark Rutte, echoed similar sentiments, expressing surprise at Omtzigt's decision and expressing hope for further discussions among the four parties involved. Caroline van der Plas from the BBB party labelled the NSC leader's withdrawal as baffling. In the absence of a coalition agreement among the parties, the possibility of new elections looms. All the recent polls indicate a surge in support for the PVV since November.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.